tayo gagarahin ng China. Stop creating public panic. Stop spreading false information because it's only making things worse. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons kung bakit hindi mag-uumpisa ng gera ang China towards the Philippines. First reason, because of mutually assured destruction or MAD. Second, because of economic losses. And third, because of their global reputation. First, MAD. What's MAD? MAD or mutually assured destruction is a military doctrine wherein if a country attacks, there should be an expectation of retaliation. Pag umatake ka, aatakihin ka pabalik. So you need to be ready with a mutually assured destruction. Anong pinakamagandang example nito? During the Cold War, United States and Russia had a